We're making creamy garlic Parmesan Scallop Orzo. One pan, no draining, restaurant level, and it tastes like you paid $34 and still tipped. Start by patting your scallops bone dry. That's the whole secret. If they're wet, they steam. Season them with salt and pepper. Get a big skillet on medium-high heat until it's properly hot. Add a little oil and butter, then lay the scallops in with space between them. Don't crowd the pan. Crowded scallops turn into sad scallops. Let them sear for about 2 minutes without touching them. No poking, no just checking. You're not a scallop babysitter. Flip them and give the other side another 60 to 75 seconds. Then pull them out onto a plate. They'll finish gently on the inside while they rest. Same pan, same flavor. Drop the heat to medium and add butter. Pour in your orzo and toast it for about a minute, stirring until it smells a little nutty. Now add a splash of white wine or chicken stock if you're skipping wine and scrape up all those browned bits. That's the flavor you earned. Now we cook the orzo risotto style. Pour in chicken stock and keep it at a steady simmer. Stir often because orzo loves to glue itself to the pan like it pays rent. As it cooks and thickens, add more stock a little at a time until the orzo is tender and the texture is creamy, not soupy. This usually takes 8 to 10 minutes. Once the orzo is tender, turn the heat down low. Stir in heavy cream, then whisk in garlic powder and onion powder. Add a pinch of smoked paprika if you want that subtle smoky warmth, and a tiny pinch of cayenne or red pepper flakes if you like a little attitude. Now stir in Parmesan until it melts and turns glossy. If the sauce tightens up too much, loosen it with a splash of stock. You want silky and clingy. Now brighten the whole thing up with lemon zest and lemon juice. Start smaller. Taste, then add more until it pops. Lemon is what makes creamy seafood pasta taste fresh instead of heavy. Add the scallops back in for about 30 seconds just to warm through. That's it. Do not keep cooking them. Scallops go from tender to rubber faster than somebody changing their mind about "I'm on a diet." Finish with chopped parsley or basil, extra Parmesan, and black pepper. And here's the joke for the day. Scallops are basically the divas of the seafood world. Treat them right, and they're fabulous. Mistreat them, and they get tough and start acting like they don't know you. Alright, plate it up, take that first bite, and try not to do the little kitchen shoulder shimmy. If you do, I'm not judging. If you make this creamy scallop orzo, drop a comment and tell me how it came out. And for the full written recipe with all the exact measurements, head to kelvinskitchen.com.